Hi, tkviper here. Today we're looking at some snacks in Japan. I found these at the Yamaya liquor store, which sells a lot of international goods. They're both imported from Vietnam. About 210 calories per bag, 45-gram bags. Okay, the one on the left has garlic flavor. This one doesn't. Inside, you can see the filling. I think it's just dried shrimp paste with some onions. They're about 1/10 the size of a real spring roll. And they're both rolled by hands. I wonder what kind of workers they use to roll these tiny little shrimp rolls. Let's open these up and check them out. As you can see, they are about 1.5 inches long. Very tiny. Looks very crispy. Let's try these first. These are the one with the garlic flavor. You can tell the color is a little bit darker. And you can look at the way they're rolled. Exactly the same as a spring roll. It's amazing. Who rolled these? Anyway, let's take a bite. Inside you can see the filling. It's kind of orange. And they're not bad. I don't think they're great. A little dry because it is a snack after all, not a real spring roll. Let's take a look at one of these right here. You can see it's a little bit lighter, but exactly the same thing. Inside is just without the garlic flavor. I don't think I'll be craving these anytime soon, but it's kind of fun to try new things out. If you find them, please check them out. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends about my channels, tkviper, tkviper Tech, and tkviper Japan Rainwalker. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one.